Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up in VistaCreate account. First of all, open up a preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, head over to VistaCreate website. Type in create.vista.com and click on enter. After that, you'll be directed to official homepage of VistaCreate. Now, click on sign up button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Create an Account button. Now, a window will appear on your screen. You can type your first name here and your last name here, then email address and a password here. Or you can also sign up using your Google, Facebook or an Apple account. I am going to sign up using my Google account, so I am going to click on Sign up with Google button. Now continue with your email. Now you can choose options from here to get personalized recommendation. After choosing the option, click on Save and Continue button. Now you can see that your account has been created. So that is how you can sign up for VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.